Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oat-free, dairy-free, nut-free, super creamy, super tasty, super easy, super healthy roasted onion pasta made in just one baking dish and tastes so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw 6 sliced onions into a baking dish, along with half a cup of tahini, a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and season with salt and pepper. Just mix it. Add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes on top. And bake it at 400 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Now throw in your preferred noodles. Just mix it. And enjoy a super creamy and super healthy pasta! Thanks for watching.